If you are not getting the organic search traffic you want, it could be because you are using the outdated SEO practices that are killing your traffic. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 outdated SEO practices that you need to ditch like today. And I'm going to show you what to replace them with instead. The thing is, Google evolves rapidly. So if you don't evolve with it, then your rankings and your traffic are going to tank. The last one is probably one of the most controversial topics in SEO world today. So be sure to stick around till the end. We will unpack it and I will give you the right answer. Point 1. Keywords still matter, but not the way most people think. One of the biggest SEO mistakes I still see is people treating SEO like a keyword game. They find a keyword, put it everywhere, add it to headings, repeat it through the page, and then wonder why they are still not ranking. Now, don't get me wrong, keywords are still important. Google still needs to see what your page is about. But here's what has changed. Google is becoming much better at understanding the meaning behind searches. Google is now using AI to understand search much more deeply instead of matching a single keyword. For example, if somebody searches best running shoes for flat feet, Google is not just going to look for pages that repeat those exact keywords. Now it breaks a search into multiple questions and ideas, then it look across many websites to build the best answer. That's why websites that answer related questions and cover topics comprehensively tend to perform better. So instead of asking how many times should I use that keyword, start asking what questions somebody searching for this keyword, because that's what Google is increasingly rewarding. And then incorporate those keywords, those questions into your article. Point 2. Just publishing more blogs, more content is not the answer. One of the most common SEO advice I still hear is just publish more blogs. And that's not the problem. The internet already has enough content. And with the advent of AI, people are publishing content on scale. What Google is trying to avoid ranking is what I called commoditized content. Content that's basically the same article that's already been written hundred of times before. No unique insights, no real experience, no original research. So if you are creating that type of content, focus on adding the real examples, statistics, and experience and opinions. Point 3. Most SEO workflows are terrible. This point is probably the biggest workflow mistake I see. Most people think the hard part of SEO is finding issues, but it is not. Finding issues are easy. Every SEO tool can do that. The hard part is figuring out which issues matter, because not all the noise matters, where they came from, and what to fix first. Because once a website gets bigger, you suddenly have hundreds of warnings, dozens of reports, spreadsheets everywhere. And now you are spending more time investigating the problem than fixing them. This is actually one of the reasons I built CrawlBeast. This tool helps you with the issue prioritization. Instead of treating every issue equally, CrawlBeast helps identify what deserves attention first. Traceability. And this is probably my favorite feature, because finding a broken page is easy. Figuring out where it's linked from is the painful part. With source tracking, I can immediately see where the issue exists, which pages are affected, and how widespread the problem actually is, without manually hurting through reports. Point 4. SEO is not a one time task. Optimize once and that's it. One of the biggest SEO mistakes I see businesses treating SEO like a one time project. They optimize their website, publish some blogs, update a few pages, and then don't touch for the next 2 years. But search doesn't work like that anymore. Google is constantly changing. Competitors are constantly improving, and the information becomes outdated much faster than people realize. For example, if you publish a blog 12 months ago, there's a good chance some of the information, example, statistics, and recommendations are already outdated. And it's not just the content. Your page titles, meta description, headings, internal links should also be reviewed regularly. One of the easiest SEO wins right now is updating existing content instead of constantly creating new content. Refresh the statistics, add new examples, answer new questions people are asking, improve the internal links. I generally recommend reviewing important pages and blogs every 3 months rather than letting them untouched for years. Takeaway: SEO is not something you do once. The websites that perform best are usually the ones that continuously improving what they already have.